Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, please remember to leave a little bit of like and subscribe for other awesome and amazing content. Alright? So guys, this video is for Sister D Kite and everybody else who want to do a natural beat everyday makeup look. Alright guys? Yes. Sorry Sister D, but just to get around to the video. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Rub my mouth corner. So guys, I will also leave a link of how to snatch your brows. So that the part out of the game. So we're gonna just focus on the foundation. Simple, cheap product. Alright. You wanna have a clean face. Alright. Some spot there. So I'm gonna start off with this primer. Can you see it? It's from the Dollar Tree, or you can get any primer, face primer from the dollar store or Walmart. Cheap. This is just $1.25. And you want to have a fresh face. So I'm going to add about this amount in the palm of my hand. And you just want to rub it together. And you want to moisturize your face. Put a little bit up top, a little bit over here. Not too much. Under the eyes. You can even rub your neck too. Alright. So your face feels soft and nice. Alright. So this is Fenty by Rihanna. You just want to get your shade match. Once you have a good foundation, you're good to go. But not only foundation, guys. If you want a glowing skin, you have to mix it with like a illuminating primer, and this illuminating primer is ELF cheap. It's like $7.99 or so. You can do it both ways, guys. You can either use this as the first primer like how I did, and then you go ahead and add this. You can do it like that. For me, how I find my glow, I mix both of them together. So you wanna shake it well. Oh lordy break. Anyhow, you wanna do about say 2 pumps. I'm gonna put it here cause my thing break. Oh my god. But anyhow, example, we put in 2 pumps. So say that are 2 pumps, guys. Alright, put some on your handbag. And you want to go in like with a pump of this one or 2. Put 2. Just put a little bit. And now I'm going to use this ELF makeup and set. And you need a little fluffy brush, a foundation brush you call it. Dollar store, anywhere sell it. Alright, and then I'm going to use the back of it and I'm going to just mix this together. I like to add a little bit moisture to my brush or to your sponge. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to spray like 2 pumps. And then I'm going to start to apply it to my face. And now guys, you just want to go in and you just want to blend everything out, okay? Can you see that, guys? Yes. And then you want to take the leftovers and you want to put it on your neck. Rub your ears too. And guys, you want to put some over your eyes as well. Something like so. And you want to do the top. Now we're gonna go in and we're gonna set the foundation, and I'm gonna use this CoverGirl. All right, and this one is in the shade 120. You can get lighter or darker. This one kind of match my skin tone. And now you want to go in with a fluffy brush or powder brush. All right, and this is it. You're gonna take up a little bit at a time, and you're gonna tap it off. And what you're gonna do now, you're gonna set this face, everything. All right, you don't want much, just a little bit. Remember to set over your eyes, because we're not put on anything else on it for now. Okay. I'm gonna go in with this LA color, and it has 2 shades. You can use them as eyeshadow or blush, and I'm gonna just dab on 2 of them, and I'm gonna add a little bit of blush on my cheeks, because after you put on the foundation, it's just flat like that. So you want to bring back a little bit of color, you know, like that. So I'm gonna tap. You gotta smile like this. Smile, okay, guys? And then you see how my cheek big. You're just gonna. I'm not putting too much because it's a soft beat, so that's good. Now we have some rosy cheek. All right. Next thing I'm gonna put on my face, I have this pressed powder. You just want a darker shade powder. All right. Whether you wanna. It can be loose, or it can be liquid, or it can be pressed. You just want a darker shade, and you're gonna contour. You don't have to, you can leave it like this, but guys, so this is gonna add back a little color to your face, and you want a little narrow brush, like something like that, not a big one, and you want to tap it a few times, and below where you put the blush, you just want to go in right underneath in the sink, from the top of your ear to your corner of your mouth. And this time now I'm not going to smile, I'm going to do like this, because I'm going to snatch it, and I'm not going to do too much today. All right, this is a soft beat. I'm just trying to put back a little color into my face, and you want to press it in. Most times some people brush it upwards, something like that, not too much. And you do the same thing to the next side. And you want it to come about here. Because I have this heavy chin, I like to hide it a little bit, so I'm going to put a little bit right here and a little bit right here to frame out my face. Then I'm just going to use the brush, and I'm going to tap up here to form my big forehead. This is optional, but you just want to use it, and just like 2 times, just go over it. Smaller brush, tap, and I'm going to frame out my big nose. Optional, you don't have to do this part, okay guys? You can skip this part. Now what I like to do, I want to go back in with my powder brush, and I'm just gonna buff everything together now, guys. The same powder brush you use, just use it and buff everything together. The blush, that. And that's it, guys. That's it. All right, that's it. Now I'm gonna go in with my setting spray. This one is e.l.f. You can use any one of your choice. You don't have to really move your hand, just your face you're moving, okay guys? Eyebrow pencil, I got it from the dollar store, and I'm just gonna line under my eyes. I have this Maybelline mascara, and that's what I'm gonna put on. I'm not gonna put on too much. I'm gonna add some highlight to my face, make my face glow and all of that. And this is the Wet n Wild. And I'm just gonna add a little bit. And you need a different brush, just any brush, a powder brush or so. And you wanna rub a little bit. And I'm gonna add a little bit to this one, add a little bit of glow to your skin. A little bit on the forehead. And I'm gonna rub my finger and I'm gonna put some on my nose. And I'm gonna use this lipstick. I got it online. It's a burgundy. You can use black or brown. And then I'm gonna add the nude in the middle. You can even go back in with the black and then now I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss. I got this lip gloss from the Dollar Tree. You can use any lip gloss of your choice, and I'm gonna add a little bit. A little bit here. And I'm gonna go back in with my e.l.f. and I'm just gonna spray. So guys, this is it. This is it, Sister D. You can put whatever lip you want, and it just take few simple product, cheap. You can buy them expensive or cheap, but you need a good foundation. All right? And this is it, guys. Love upon me and I love upon you. Yeah, it's so pretty. Bye guys. Sister D, I hope you like it.